Hi, this is Les Walkling, and welcome to this short presentation on matching skin tones in 3D Look Creator. There is so much that is not right in this image. It makes it difficult to know where to begin. However, the most obvious problem, surely, is that this woman is not the mother of this child. The child's hue and colourfulness of her skin does not match the mother's. The mother looks more like a vampire about to devour the child than the devoted and loving mother I assume she is meant to be. We therefore need to rescue this family, and 3D Look Creator's AB Grid is our tool of choice. The first thing I notice is the location of the mother's skin colour on the AB Grid. It's along this axis. I then position the cursor over the child's skin and observe how distant it is from the mother's. No wonder they are not related. Therefore I'm going to drag the child's skin colour closer to the mother's, thereby reducing their difference and therefore also their separation. Once the child's skin begins to resemble the mother's skin colour, control clicking on the child's skin pins that grid point so that its luminosity can then be independently lightened until the child and mother become perfectly matched. Job done. We've saved the family, and now it is a loving mother playing with her daughter rather than a vampire about to devour an innocent child. I hope this presentation has been both informative and inspiring, and I wish you all the best with your adventures in photography.